Hi guys, welcome to PEGA Technology YouTube channel. In the previous videos, I discussed about data manipulation and to initialize data default values in data transform rule. Now I'm going to continue with the data transform rule only. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to copy data from one property to another property. So, based on address, I'm going to explain this. So for that, go to data types and add one data type called address details. Add data type and label as address details and click on submit. And now add fields for the data type. Click on add field to add a fields. And the first field is flat number and give data type as field type as integer and click on submit and add another more property and give flat name. And this field type is text single only. Add city and add another more properties, state, and add another more property, pin code, and pin code type as integer. Select integer and click on submit and save the address details data type. And now open case type and open demon dt case type and add another more property. Correct temporary address and click on configure view to add the properties and add field as temporary address details and type as embedded data and here options as a single record or list of records and a single record only and select data object as address details. Click on submit and submit and add another more step, uh, collect information step, give name it as collect a permanent address and click on configure view to add fields and add field and add permanent address details and type as embedded data and single record data object is address details. Click on submit and submit and save the case type and create case by click on save and run. Click on save and run to create a case. Click on create, submit, no need of these steps for this requirement and add temporary address details flat name, give details, state and pin code. If you click on submit, these temporary details need to copy to permanent address details. The details are not copying to permanent address details. To copy details from present address to permanent details, we need to write a data transform rule. So first we need to create data transform rule. Right click on demo on DT, create data model category and data transform. Create data transform, give label as copy DT. Apply to class is work class only. Click on create and open to create the data transform rule. And here to update a present address to temporary address to permanent address, we are going to use update page. And in update page, here we need to give page. Choose relation with values from. Give source as temporary address. And give target as permanent address. And in the set fields, set the properties. Give flat name in permanent address details is equals to flat name in temporary address details. Likewise, set all the properties. Flat number in temporary address also flat number. And set another more properties. Dot city city dot state, and the last one is pin code. Dot pin code. And save the data transform rule. And data transform is procedural processing, so we need to call data transform rule. Here to in order to call data transform rule, open flow rule, open process, and click on collect temporary address details and call here apply data transform and select copy DT, submit and save the flow. And now create case again. If you open process, you throw an error. Just click on actions and refresh. And again create. Then click on save and run to create case. Click on create. Submit. No need of these steps as per requirement now. And enter details. Click on submit. As the details are copied to permanent address details through data transform. In data transform, we use update page. In clipboard also, we can able to observe these details. Under user pages, PY work page. In PY work page, we can able to see only single value properties. If you want to see page properties, expand PY work page. And here we can able to see temporary address details and permanent address details. Yes. In the next videos, I will explain another more actions in data transform. Stay tuned to our channel. I will explain everything. Thank you.